पहला मूव।
हाँ।
Abhish is so quick. Like, एक second, let me mute here.
Let's go to Discord, Sagar bhai.
Hello, Samay, can you hear
Yes,
me?
I can hear you, sir. And let's see what has happened on the board in the first. Grob opening by GM Abish Matthew. G4, D5, Bishop develops and gives up a pawn, and Knight F3 by Sagar Shah. What could be GM Abish Matthew's strategy here?
अरे यार, I'm not able to see the game. I'm so excited. मेरे को एक मिनट link, Vivek, if you can send the link.
Just follow ABISH MATHEW.
MATH, अच्छा एक ही T है. Okay,
हाँ.
okay, got it. Slash.
You know what? Let's have the chat also with us.
Oh, okay. So G4, Gautami went D5. Oh, Samay, did you see Gautami on move number 2 actually picked up the pawn on G4? I mean, that is serious improvement there by Gautami. She just saw the pawn, she took it. Now main move is C4 here in this position for the Grob opening, but Knight F3 by Abish. Of course, he has deeper prep. Knight F5. B4. Now the other side, he pushes his knight pawn. B5 by Gautami. Gautami is like, I'm going to stop your pawn from coming forward. Bishop B2, H6, and C3. You know,
Wow.
Samay, one of the things that you teach when you are, beginner is that bishops have open diagonals. Look at Abhish's last move. Bishop was on an open diagonal. He said, I'm going to close that diagonal.
Of course. Like, see, the bar goes up. Bar is still not able to understand this, Sagar Shah. All this opening theory is modern opening theory, right? But Abish Matthew comes from future. So his opening theory, we are still learning from it. Like this pawn, maybe he'll open later with C4 and then the bishop will open. We have no idea what he's going to do.
Yeah, exactly, guys. There are certain players who were ahead of their times. There was Paul Morphy, then came Alekhine, then Fischer, and now, Carlsen's time was going on, but suddenly GM Abish Matthew has come from last year.
And Gautami ji is also like a very hidden gem, because now if you see, the bar is giving her 2.2 advantage. And maybe
She has
GM
not
Abish Matthew is
blundered
in trouble.
anything. Samay, she's not blundered anything. Even this last move, E5, has been so good. I have a doubt, Samay, that Gautami is working on her chess every day. If this continues, COB continues for 4-5 days, she might as well reach 1000 elo.
हो सकता है पर फिलहाल बोर्ड पे हुआ है रुक G1. कैन यू बिलीव दिस? रुक G1. यूजुअली हम लोग सोचते हैं कि कैसल करेगा इंसान, पर अबीश के किंग को बाहर आना है. अबीश के किंग को बोलना है जल्दी बाहर निकलो. बट गौतमी जी इज वेरी स्मार्ट. शी हैज पुट द पॉन्स इन अ वे कि अबीश का किंग यहाँ से बाहर नहीं आ सकता, क्योंकि ये पॉन्स यहाँ पे पकड़ रहे हैं उनको.
पूरा स्पेस पकड़ लिया है गौतमी ने. और ऑल्सो G6 मूव वेरी oh, look at this, what you said. He's opened up, and beautiful move by Abish, because bishop from B2 is attacking the rook on H8. Oh, and Gautami picks up the Bhai, queen is hanging.
But queen is not hanging. Queen hanging नहीं है. अभी king D1 आके बचाएगा queen को.
Abish used to say queen is the most powerful, you should save it. And right now his queen is under attack.
Oh,
and he saves it. Nice move. And also queen takes E5 का बहुत बड़ा threat है. E5 का pawn अब hanging है. क्या वो बचा पाएंगे? Can Gautami play D4? It's a nice move there.
All I'm scared is for Abish Matthew to play E4 and then come in with the king. Meanwhile, let's see how Gautami ji stops this threat of queen takes E5. Oh my god. और बार देखिएगा,
if
बार एकदम
Gautami
equal है.
she plays bishop C5, but now Samay, queen takes E5 check, and then H8 rook is hanging. Oh, and Abish takes.
Abish Matthew takes it.
Abish in full flow, guys. He has now struck back after losing 2 pawns. He's like, I'm going to pick up the rook.
Is he going to pick up the rook? But what is Gautami ji going to do? Is she going to move her king away, or is she going to bring the queen in the middle?
Maybe, yeah, king D7 looks like the best option here, but queen E7 as well. But then queen takes H8.
If she play, oh,
she brings the knight, but and look at Abish.
Abish Matthew, what's up with him these days? Oh, she gives up the knight as well. Maybe Gautami ji is now going to play with her king like GM Abish Matthew. Maybe that's a big strategy now.
Right now, yeah, king D7, king E7. She can also bring her bishop back to F8. But I don't think she'll do that because it's time to get her king rolling.
Oh my god, is this gonna happen? If he takes the queen
Look
with
at
queen,
Abhish.
then Gautami ji will get the GM Abhish Matthew for capturing queen with king.
Look at Abhish. He's so happy. He's like, now it's going to happen. I'll take the queen. You take it back.
Oh, he doesn't take it.
Oh, he doesn't.
He doesn't want her to get the privilege of taking queen with king. That is his significant move. That is his signature move.
Samay, can you tell me a bit why did Abhish get so happy when Gautami's king started to move forward?
Because he's little bit excited that his king will also come out now, but his king is unable to come out. यहाँ पे C2
Yeah,
पे opponent
exactly.
का knight है. He wants to bring his king out, but how to do it? Maybe he will play E4.
Yeah, something. I mean, the king feels really claustrophobic on E1. Abhish का king को ऐसी आदत नहीं है. Also, look at Gautami. She's very focused right now. She's thinking what to do. She plays Queen E7. Good move. Good move. Oh, and look at Abhish like a laser. He's put his bishop on F6. What a move.
Let's see.
I mean, they've both risen up to the occasion, I feel. You know, like Aj, somewhere deep down, Abhish knows that सब कुछ तो मिल गया है, लेकिन black का king.
She gives up the queen as well. Gautami ji is on a spree. अब उनके पास सिर्फ king और 3 पीस बचे हुए हैं. अगर ये पीस भी 3 मर जाएं, then only king we know how strong it can get.
But why is Abhish playing so accurately? He's taking all the pieces. What's happening? And Abhish also has 8 minutes 20 seconds on the clock. Rook F7, nice move by Gautami. Oh, and queen is hanging. Queen is hanging. Can take the queen. Can Gautami take the queen? Come on, think. Generally, you know, समय दोनों को ना pieces वापस लाने की आदत नहीं है. तो ये knight पीछे आना थोड़ा मुश्किल है देखना. Knight takes A6. Oh, she plays king E8.
And he hangs the queen once more. He's not afraid.
Yeah. Not at all. Abhish, as we have always said, go forward is his motto. So he's now put his knight on B5. And Gautami may have seen. Oh, she sees
Oh
it!
my god, she takes
the
it.
queen! And look at Abhish. He's like, yeah, come on. Now that's fun. That's fun.
Oh my god. Now, GM Abhish Matthew must be furious.
No, I love how Abhish is like, you know, when opponent is able to capture his piece, he's like, good job, guys, good job.
7 मिनट है अभिष मैथ्यू के पास थिंकिंग की कौन सा पीस सैक मारे. एंड यू कांट इवन लाइक समझ नहीं आ रहा कि उनके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होगा इस वक्त.
नहीं, वो नाइट से पॉन मार के चेक देंगे. देखो, नाइट C7. ही इज गोइंग टू प्ले इट.
Oh, look. Wow.
Yes.
सागर शाह को थोड़ा सा एनलाइटमेंट आ चुका है बिकॉज नाउ ही इज एबल टू थिंक लाइक GM Abhish Matthew.
After a lot of effort and lot of following his games, I have managed to do that. And Gautam is like, no, I don't want to take the knight. You take my knight.
Can you believe it, Sagar Shah, that now Gautami ji is actually using GM Abhish Matthew strategy against him only. अब Gautami ji के पास सिर्फ king ही बचा है main अच्छा piece, and now GM Abhish Matthew will start thinking about his moves, and that is when she will get ahead on time maybe.
Yeah, and if Gautami manages to give Abhish all the pieces and then plays with her king and manages to draw or suppose win the game, that will be epic.
What's she going to do now? Does she know it's her move? Oh, she takes a knight.
Nice. Abhish will take with the pawn because, you know, if you take with the bishop, then it will get an open diagonal. So you have to close it first. Oh, he takes
with the bishop. Oh my god, what is wrong with GM Abhish Matthew? Why would he give his rook an open file when he can give his king an open file? King belongs on open files, guys. Always remember.
Today, GM Abhish's accuracy would be really, really very good.
She gives up another bishop.
I love how Gautami puts her piece in a way where, you know, Abhish is confused, like what to do. Oh, take the bishop. Why did Abhish take the bishop?
He can't see moves going back.
Going backwards is not there. Oh my god. But guys, always remember, move forward is the motto of both these players.
Question is now, can Gautami ji spot this bishop is hanging?
For the
Oh,
first time, no, she did not. Because it's also backward move. Do you see? Oh, and now Abish took it.
now Gautami ji is low on time.
Only 4 pieces left for black, Samay. Only 4. While white has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Baap re.
Exactly. So Gautami ji is better in position, but on time she is low.
Hmm.
Because she has only less pieces. जितने कम पीस उतने कम ब्लंडर होने के चांस क्योंकि उतने कम पीस हिलाने हैं.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
And Abish is like, now time to give up a few pieces. Gautami takes with the rook. Oh, she had to take with the pawn.
No,
No,
Sagar
she had to. Sorry, sorry.
What are you even saying, Sagar Shah?
F takes.
You have to give up the pieces. And only
Guys,
one
it's
king.
very difficult to commentate after this game in the actual quarterfinals. And also, there I have to play at 4 o'clock. It's very difficult. But I'm also learning.
Oh, he's
Oh,
pushing his
pawn is
pawn.
queening. Pawn is queening.
2 minutes with Gautami ji.
Now she will give up her F pawn. Oh, she plays her king. She plays her king.
Check.
Check by Abish. But you know, black's task is very easy. Just smooth the king. जहां पे भी.
वही तो अब अगर किंग अंदर आने लग गया
हाँ.
तो फिर अभीश मैथ्यू को थोड़ा दिक्कत हो सकती है.
समय क्या आप उधर अनम्यूट करके गौतमी को बता सकते हो she has only 2 minutes left तो she can
I
you know
think
maybe she
we should not disturb their flow. In fact, we can add time to their clock. That's okay. That's completely cool.
अच्छा okay yeah because this is an epic match and we do not want time to be a factor.
Of course.
Rook check.
स्पेस
Rook
टाइम
check.
सबके बाहर है ये गेम. ओके चेक दिया है. मेट इन 4 है. Top guessers crying in the corner.
Now what is Abish going to do?
I can't
Abish is
believe-
king. Look at
Yeah.
Abish is king. He hasn't moved a single time in the game. Oh my god. What's wrong with Abish? He's bringing his knight in. Now if Gautami plays her pawn to f3, she'll give up the pawn, then the d5 pawn.
Gautami ji is thinking of a crazy move. One minute on a clock.
Actually, the king has very less squares, you know, Samay. Only d7 is left. All other squares are covered.
Thinking really hard. Does Gautami ji know it's her
26,000
move?
people. Yeah, she knows it. She's got 5 minutes extra, guys.
She plays
and
F3,
she
gives up her
pushes.
pawn.
Beautiful, beautiful. Now, guys, stalemate. I think this game is going to end with a stalemate. What do you think, Samay?
I don't think. I think Giabish Matthew might lose this game
Really?
because he doesn't have his king activity yet.
Also, this is the most serious I've seen Abish. You know, there's no like this and this.
When two GMs play, the games often very serious, Sagar Shah.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I mean, until now, for Abish, all the opponents were quite easy. Yeah, he used to smile and he used to enjoy. But today, he's facing the real stress. King d7. Yeah, good move by Gautami. Actually, again, an improvement. Yesterday, she had one move for the king and she was not able to find it. Today, she moved it.
Oh, look at Giabish Matthew. Gives up the knight.
Gives up the knight or the pawn. What does Gautami take? Of course, she takes the pawn because
Of
yeah,
course,
knight
yes.
is more valuable. Yeah.
This is a very good instructive moment in chess, guys.
Oh.
Don't go for material always. Go for the pawn. Go for position. King has to come out.
Now take the knight, or maybe. No, okay, not taking the knight. Correct.
Maybe
Check.
now Giabish Matthew has forced her to take the knight. Will she now take it?
No, she'll play king e7. Now, of course, Samay, we've learnt it.
Maybe she will surprise him by taking it. Oh my god, she doesn't take it. Of course, she's still in her theory. And Abish Matthew is really frustrated. See, he wants her to take that knight. He wants her to go back king d7. But she's like, I don't want this knight.
Abhish is unable to coordinate so many pieces. He's like, ये king अकेला मुझे चाहिए सिर्फ only king.
Look at this bishop pair disadvantage. She comes in again. He wants to come
Draw
in here.
maybe. Oh, he takes. Oh, now the black king is all alone. Now it's
Wow.
easy. Gautami's task is now simplified because she only has to keep moving the king.
Gautami moves king c6. There's a discovery check here.
Yeah, but what to, Samay, when you give a discovered check, you have to take something. Here, there is nothing else left. So, what's the point of discovery? You see?
Yeah. Giavish Matthew is so fed up now. He's attacking his own pieces. He's like, उनका कोई piece नहीं है तो मैं खुद के knight को ही attack करूंगा.
Or maybe he's cornering the black king. Somehow, yeah, now the king has started to advance. What about the king on e1? What is it? Can you talk to the king on e1, Samay?
King on e1 is very scared. King on e1 कह रहा है कि भाई, I don't want to play yet. All my pieces are here.
गौतमी के सामने नहीं खेल रहा है मुझे. Oh, look at black king. It's advancing there. And the pawn. I think Abhish is going to get a queen on the board. Then he'll have a knight, rook, bishop, pawn, and king. All pieces. And Gautami will have just a king.
But look at Gautami's king also. It's coming. It's probably going to promote to a queen. Maybe Gautami ji does not know that king cannot promote.
Gautami will take the pawn or not? What do you think?
Of course she will take it. Oh, she doesn't take it.
Of course not. No, Samay. You are not learning. This is your problem. She has never captured a piece just like that.
Unless it's forced move. Yeah, that's true. So much to learn here actually. Now let's see if Gautami ji goes back or comes up. Oh, she comes up again. Giavish Matthew promotes to a queen.
Nice. I think Abhish is not enjoying himself for sure. This is something which he had not expected, that someone will use his techniques on him. And Gautami, really amazing play by her. Let's see if she can get a stalemate here. I mean, that's the plan for Gautami here, to move the king somewhere, but there's no check and nowhere to move. It's a stalemate.
There's only one square right now. King b5. Very easy play for Gautami ji here. Gautami is thinking hard for the move.
Samay, can we have a poll right now, whether it will be stalemate or not?
Let's go.
Here, it's almost got the king in the corner. Almost. Bishop c5. Oh, guys, king has only one square left. King a5. King a5.
How to take that away? Oh my god, Gautami ji displaying class here. Class.
Look at her. She's smiling and Abhish is serious. This is the first time I'm seeing this, Samay. It's unbelievable. No one could take away Abhish's enthusiasm for chess. Only Gautami. King a6 now. Only move. Somehow, एक square बचा है.
Oh, now rook a8 is made, but of course he doesn't go for it.
No. King a5. King a5. What's the vote?
It's 59, 41,
59
very close.
people.
Oh, king a5. Made in one. There are 3 made in ones here. Bishop b4, rook a8, rook b5. 3 made in ones.
Oh, look at this. Look at Abhish. He's... Oh my god! He found it!
Oh my god! History